Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a very delicious mango slush, which is very refreshing for the summers. So let's get started. So first of all, we need a blender that we're gonna use for making the slush, and we want to put 2 cups of mangoes into it, 1 cup of ice, just to make it really icy, and then we're going to put about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed. And then we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey. We're not using sugar here because we want to make it very natural, and honey has a very nice taste with the mangoes. And then we'll be adding 1 cup of fresh orange juice. You can adjust the orange juice according to your will. You can even add a little bit more if you'd like, but for this recipe 1 cup is enough. And then we'll be blending it up properly just to make sure the frozen mangoes and the ice is crushed. And it will take about a minute or so, and you can see how tasty it looks, and it's ready. It's a 2-minute recipe. Anytime you feel like drinking something cold, you can try this. And then we want to put it into our serving glasses, and then we'll be decorating it with some mango chunks that I put on a toothpick. So you're just going to put 3 to 4 pieces of mango chunks and decorate the glasses with it. And with that, because we added lemon into the recipe, so we'll be slicing up some lemons and putting them at the edge of the glass. So here I've taken 1 round slice, and the other one is going to be like an edge cut lemon, and we'll be putting it on the other glass, so you can put whatever you like. And then a mint leaves at the top. This is freshly from my garden. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you do, please do subscribe my channel for more such recipes, and do leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Till my next video, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.